So Dad is off in Germany, which means I'm left all alone, and today I'm gonna go sailing. Alright, still going pretty well. Picked up a little bit of speed, going, yeah, nearly between 3.5 and 4 knots, but the wind has also turned from ahead to on the aft quarter, which is very nice. So we like that very much.
Well, the doc just called. Not good. PSA 1.3, 1.34 I think it was, which is roughly 1.34 too high. Bit of a shocker. Yeah, I was a bit shaken trying to talk to him, work out what's going on. What this means is that I can't take the flight that I've got booked back to Sardinia, back to Tapatya. Got to stay here.
Who I found on my walk. Hello. Hi, gorgeous. I'm gonna leave you alone now. Bye bye. Continue on this path. It's a gorgeous day, by the way. Just look at this view. I've got some shopping done now, and this afternoon is supposed to be quite windy, so I'll probably be on the boat the whole time. So it's kind of nice to stretch the legs a little bit before the big sitting. But yeah, I'm on my way back to the boat now, and yeah, it's been a good day. Weather's nice still, so can't complain really. But yeah, see what we get up to during the day, what I get up to. Okay, it is 6:30 in the morning. As you can see, I'm very thrilled to be up. But I am going to leave this anchorage this morning. I had to head on further east to this group of islands, archipelago if you will, called La Maddalena, which is supposed to be very nice. And before I set off, I have a couple of tasks to do. I've accumulated quite a lot of rubbish, so I'm going to bring that ashore, and I have also I've got these big bottles of water in case my tank runs out. So over the last couple of days I've been, getting a bit more water, filling up my tank, because there's a marina right there and it's super convenient. Anyway, I've got 3 empty bottles left. My tank is full, but I want to fill up those 3 bottles just because I can. So yeah, I'm gonna get water, I'm gonna bring away my rubbish, then I'm gonna deflate the dinghy and do all those other normal things. I have to take the sail colours off, that sort of stuff. Alright. So my 3 bottles filled, it's my rubbish brought away. Ready to go. So the wind has completely died. It's glassy out here, even though according to the forecast, I'm having like 12-13 knots right now. I beg to differ, but let me show you my view. Got Corsica over there, and Sardinia over there. I'm basically in the thinnest point of the gap, almost. Not quite, but we're quite close. Very, yeah, like I said, glassy. I don't know, but I don't think that's 12 or 13 knots of wind. What do I know, hey?
So it's the day I'm supposed to be flying back to Sardinia, but for obvious reasons I've had to cancel that, which is a real bummer. But I'm out with my mate Joel down in the Frankfurt area, and we've just driven to the source of the Riesling grapes wine, and gonna have a look at this castle-y thing and the grape fields and all of that. And it's all very beautiful on the banks of the Rhine. Here's Joel.
Hi.
Jonah. Hey. So it's a working yard, and it's actually a working vineyard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice place. That's good.
So get this.
Yeah.
They lived in this tower for the first couple hundred years.
They lived in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
why they built the rest.
wow. What a yard, eh? Quite something. These are quite something, these German Schlosses. Beautiful big old mansions. Quite a unique style to them. There's some fair old carp in there. Look at the size of that fella. So, needless to say, as this is a vineyard and a tourist attraction, there is a shop, otherwise known as a Vinotech. The banks of the mighty Rhine. Not much in the way of sailboats. Perhaps that's unsurprising. It's got a fair old flow in it, I think. It's right to go down, but up again. A bit of a challenge.
Just about to enter the La Maddalena archipelago. It is lovely. A bit cloudy today, but that won't dampen my spirits. Look at it. Very nice. And still, the water is flat as hell. I should say again, I did have like an hour of sailing today, so there was some wind at some point. But this is just gorgeous. And then Corsica behind me there. Look at those mountains. That is so beautiful. So nice. Can't wait to get there though. I'm feeling a bit tired because I had quite an early start this morning. But yeah, 10 miles to go still. Keep plugging on. It is just absolutely gorgeous here. I think I get the appeal, and I haven't even arrived at my anchorage yet. But yeah, so many rocks and things to look at and islands, and well, there's a ferry crossing here that I have to keep an eye on. Two have just left. One's just left from there, one's left from there. So that is something to pay attention to for sure until I get to to the next stage. I'm about to make my approach between these two rocks, that's one and that one there. And there is a leading light, or leading sign. I am not quite sure where it is right now, but I'm sure I'll find it soon. But yeah, hopefully this goes well. Alright, and that is me anchored in this very peaceful place. And I'm the only one here, which is quite nice, and yeah, it's so quiet and calm. Time for a tidy up, of course, first. And then second, probably an anchor beer, and yeah, then I'll just enjoy the evening, I think. Yes, very pleased to be here.